Breaking News Explained, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you've likely heard often but might not fully understand: breaking news. Stick with us as we break down what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. Breaking news is a term used to describe newly received information about an event that is currently occurring or has just happened. It's called breaking because it interrupts regular programming or the normal flow of content to report something important or urgent. This could be anything from natural disasters, political developments, to significant societal events. It's the kind of news that broadcasters feel should be shared immediately, due to its impact or relevance. The phrase, breaking news, has been around for decades, evolving with the development of media. Originally, it referred to a break in radio or television programming to announce urgent bulletins. Over time, as news delivery has expanded to include the internet and social media, the term has grown to signify any fresh, urgent news shared across various platforms. Understanding its origin helps comprehend why it carries a sense of immediacy and importance. When talking about current events or sharing urgent information, you might say, "Have you heard the breaking news?" or "Breaking news. The city has announced a new public holiday." It's a phrase that prepares the listener for information that is not only new but also of immediate relevance or concern. However, it's important to use it correctly and responsibly, as it implies a level of urgency and significance. In the world of journalism and media, breaking news plays a crucial role in informing the public about developments that may affect them directly or indirectly. It highlights the dynamic nature of the world and the need for timely, accurate information. For English language learners, understanding news-related vocabulary is crucial for navigating English-speaking media environments and staying informed about global events. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, breaking news, and its significance in the English language and media. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural and contextual usage of phrases like this one. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.